Alright, this time, partners, I'm taking you to a new community refrigerator. You're gonna love this one. A lawyer owns this community refrigerator, and he's gonna love what I'm gonna bring to him tonight. Look at all these treats. Oh my panda. You shouldn't have. Okay. Off we are. Gotta take the train. So this community refrigerator is right next to the Home Depot here in Brooklyn. Can't miss it. Just around this house is the community fridge, everyone. So we have arrived. Come on in and take some food and a book. Oh yeah. Some books and the community fridge. All right, everybody. So we got some vegan yogurt and some pastries from Partners. All right, Partners. Yogurt and pastries are at a safe location for people to eat. Welcome to the Pulaski Fridge in Brooklyn. Welcome to Best Star, baby.